Hello students, question number 5 of exercise 5.2 is find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Here AP is given here and 7, 13, 19 so on. Last term is 205 and we have to find the number of terms. As you can see here student, here first term is A equals to 7 and for finding common difference we will subtract this first term from this second term. 13 minus 7, what we will get? Yes, 6. And last term, let's suppose that nth term is your 205 because here we have to find the number of terms. It means n is unknown here. So, we will apply the same formula an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. An is your 205. Value of a is 7. N we have to find and value of d is 6. Then we will shift this plus 7 from right hand side to left hand side equals to n minus 1 into 6. What will be the subtraction, student? Yes, 198 equals to n minus 1 into 6. Then we will shift this 6 from right hand side to left hand side. It will come in the denominator. 198 upon 6 equals to n minus 1. Then we will cancel out this. 6 ones are 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 33 equal n minus 1. Then shift this minus 1 from right hand side to left hand side and we will get 31. 33 plus 1 equal n. It means n equal 34. It means in this particular AP there are 34 terms. Similarly, we will solve second one also. Second question is 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13, dash, 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 minus 47. Again, here first term, A is 18. Common difference, for finding common difference, we will subtract this 18 from this 15, 1 by 2. 15, 1 by 2 minus 18. As you can see, this number is in mixed fraction. We will convert it into improper fraction. For that, we will multiply these two numbers. 15 2s are 30. And 30 plus 1 we will get 31 upon 2 minus 18. For simplifying this we will take LCM. LCM will be 2. 31 as it is minus 18 2s are 36. What will be the subtraction, student? Plus minus minus. Yes, minus 5 by 2 is the common difference. And here an equals to minus 47 and again we have to find the value of n. It means number of terms. Again we will apply the same formula. An equal a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of an is minus 47 equals to a. The value of a is 18 plus n we have to find. D is negative, so we will use here within bracket minus 5 by 2. Then we will shift this 18 from right hand side to left hand side and we will get minus 47 minus 18 equal n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. What will be the minus minus plus? It means we will add these two numbers. Yes, what we will get? Minus 65 equals to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Student, now we will shift this minus 5 by 2 from right hand side to left hand side. This 2 will go into numerator and this minus 5 will come in the denominator. Minus 65 into 2 upon minus 5 which is equals to n minus 5. This minus sign cancel with this minus sign. Then we will cancel out this. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 13 twos are 26. 26 equal n minus 1. Now we will shift this minus 1 into left hand side and we will get n equal 27. So in this AP there are 27 terms. Question number 6 is check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Once again read the question, student. Here we have to check minus 150 is a term of this given AP or not. For that we will suppose that the nth term of this AP is your minus 150. Let an equal minus 150. And what is A here? A is equals to 11. D, for finding D, we will subtract this 11 from 8. What we will get? We will get minus 3. And we have to find. Same formula we will apply. An equal A plus n minus 1 into D. An, what we suppose that? Minus 150. A is your 11 and we have to find, and D is your minus 3. Then we will shift this 11 into left hand side. We will get minus 11 equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. Then minus minus plus, what we will get? Minus 161 equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. Then we will shift this minus 3 into left hand side. It will come in the denominator equals to n minus 1. From numerator and denominator, minus sign will cancel out. Now you can see here, student, this 161 is not divisible by 3. Not completely divisible by 3. So what we will get? Let's see. 161 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 1, 3 3s are 9. 2.0. 18, and this will continue the process. So we will get 53.666. So we can write 66, it means 53.7 equal n minus 1. When you shift this minus 1 into left hand side, 53.7 plus 1 equal n, and n equal, we will get 54.7. Is it possible the value of terms in the decimal form, student, or in the form of fraction? No, it is not possible. So any of the term of this AP will not be equal to minus 150. This is not possible. Question number 7 is find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Student, we have to find 31st term of this AP. 11th term is given here 38 and 16th term is given here 73. So let's start the solution. Student, for finding any term, we need first term and common difference. So with the help of this given part, we will first find first term and common difference. What is given here? 11th term is 38. So 11th term, how we can write? A11 equal 38. And 16th term, A16 equals to given here 73. So student, A11, how we can write this A11 in the form of general form? A plus 10D. Just you have to subtract 1 from this 11. You will get 10D equals to 38. Similarly, for this also, A16 can be written as A plus 16 minus 1. We will get 15D equals 73. So these are two equations. Now we will simplify these two equations by any of the method. Yes, elimination method is the best method for solving these types of equations. Since these are the like terms, coefficients are also same and sign are also same. So we will subtract this, and when we will subtract, sign will change. This plus sign cancel with this minus. It means we will get 0. 10D minus 15D, what we will get? Minus 5D equals to 38 minus 73. 38 minus 73, it means plus minus minus. We will subtract this 38 from this 73 and we will get 5 and 3. Okay, 35 with negative sign. From both sides this minus sign cancel out. 5d equal 35, then d equal 35 by 5, cancel out this, 5 sevens are 35, so we get d equal 7. Now we will substitute this d equal 7 in any of the equation. So from 1, a plus 10d, the value of d is 7, equals to 38. A plus 10 sevens are 70 equal 38. A equal 38 plus 70, then shift into right hand side, we will get minus 70. Plus minus minus, then we will subtract this. Yes, A equal, what we will get? We will get minus 32. So student, first term is your minus 32 and common difference is 7. So with the help of these values A and D, now we can easily find the 31st term. Now we can easily find 31st term. 31st term, A 31 will equal to A plus 31 minus 1, 30 D. Value of A is here minus 32 plus 30 into D. The value of D is 7. Minus 32 plus 7 3s are 21 0, 2 1 0. Now we will subtract plus minus minus. From 2 1 0 we will subtract 32. What we will get, student? 178. 31st term of this AP will be 178. Question number 8 is you have to do your by own, student, because question number 8 is just similar to question number 7. Look at this question number 9. If the third and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8, which term of is this AP is 0? Once again read the question, student. Third term is given 4, ninth term is given here minus 8, and we have to find which term of this AP will be 0. Okay, let's start the solution. First we will write what is given in this particular question. It is given that third term it means A3 equals to 4, and ninth term it means A9 equals to minus 8, and which term of this AP will be 0. Then we will suppose nth term of this AP will be 0. Before that, first we will simplify this and we will find the values of A and D. A3 means A plus 3 minus 1, what we will get? 2D equal 4. And from this what we will get? A9 it means A plus 9 minus 1, 8D equals to minus 8. Again we will simplify these equations. Equation number 1, equation number 2 by elimination method. We will subtract this. Sign will change. Okay, this plus A cancel with this minus A. Then 2D minus 8D. What we will get? We will get minus 6D equals to plus 8 plus 4. What we will get? 12. Then D equal 12 upon minus 6, and when you cancel out this, we will get minus 2. The value of D is here minus 2. Now we will find A. Substitute this value in equation 1. In equation 1, A plus 2, in place of D we will write minus 2 equal 4. A plus minus minus 2 2s are 4 equals to 4. A equal 4. This minus 4 will convert into plus 4 when we shift into right hand side, and we will get 8. The value of A is 8. Now we will find that term whose value will be 0. For that, let's suppose that nth term is equals to 0. Then we will apply nth term formula, a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 0. Value of a is 8, n we have to find. The value of d is minus 2. We will write this value within bracket equals to 0. Then we will shift this plus 8 into right hand side. We will get n minus 2 equal 0 minus 8. Then n minus 1 into minus 2. 0 minus 8 will equal to minus 8. Then we will shift this minus 2 into right hand side. It will come in the denominator. Minus 8 upon minus 2. This sign cancel with this sign. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. N minus 1 equals to 4. N equal this minus sign shift into right hand side. We will get 4 plus 1 and equal 4 plus 1 it means 5. It means fifth term of this AP will be 0. Okay student. Question number 10, which is very important question student. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. First, what is the meaning of this exceed? The meaning of this exceed, it means greater. And in maths, for greater sign, which sign we will use? We will use plus sign. Okay student? The 17th term of an AP exceed its 10th term by 7. One relation is given here between 17th term and 10th term. Find the common difference. We have to find the common difference. So solution will be, first we will write what is the relation is given here. 17th term, it means A17 of an AP exceed its 10th term by 7. It means equals to. For exceed, we will apply here plus sign. 10th term, we will write here A10 by 7. It means we will write 7 here. Is it clear, student? According to this question, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Okay. Then what will be the general form of this A17? Yes, A plus 17 minus 1, 16D equals to A10 can be written as 10 minus 1, 9D plus 7. From both sides this A will cancel out because both are having same sign, so we can cancel out. Then 16D, this 9D will shift into left hand side. We will get minus 9D equals 7 and 16 minus 9. What we will get? We will get 7D equals 7. So D equals 7 upon 7, and when you cancel this, we will get the value of D as 1. So answer is 1. We had to find here common difference and we get D equals to 1. Very important question student. Do not forget the meaning of this exceed. In math, exceed it means greater, and for this we will use plus sign. Thank you students.